Hi, my seedy friends. Wanted to have a little talk with you. Talk about seeds and seed packet shortages. So, a lot of people lately have been talking about, let me fix this. Is that better? A lot of people have been talking about having a hard time getting in seed packets, right? Because we're having a seed shortage. Well, I just wanted to point something out. I'm here at my store, the Happy Shack, in East Amherst, New York. And, you know, what would someone pay for a seed packet? $2, $3, maybe $4 at the most. These are rattlesnake pole beans. These are just a bean. You know, it can be a dry bean. It can be a green bean. Whichever. $3.50 in my store is organic black turtle beans. This is a whole lot more seeds than this packet. So when you say beans, you really are saying seeds. So you can get organic is best, but from the grocery store you can get beans, and they're going to be bush beans, not pole beans, and you can grow them. The same goes for quinoa. Quinoa is gorgeous if you've never grown quinoa. It's a great ancient grain, tastes great, very beautiful to grow. Usually they get 5 to 10 feet tall, colorful. So look that up, you'll enjoy it. Here's another one. Lentils. Lentils are $4 for this big bag. Look in the seed catalog and buy lentil seeds and see how much they cost, because I guarantee you're going to get a whole lot more. This is a pound. This is a whole pound of seed. Just because they call it lentil and they don't say it can also be planted doesn't make it not seed. Here's another one. French lentils. Yep. $4 for a whole pound of French lentil seeds. Lentils you can grow in pots right on your patio. You don't even have to do them out in the garden. They're shallow rooted. They grow fast. They're pretty, easy. Now, something you wouldn't want to do would be, say, split pea. Now, you could do whole dry pea. Those could be planted and grown. But split pea, because they're split in half, those aren't going to grow, right? Because they're split. Something else that I think is kind of neat is rice. Not instant rice, but brown rice, red rice, and just like anything else, organic. So there may be shortages of little teeny tiny seed packets, but I doubt in the grocery store there are shortages of grains, beans. And you know, another great place you could look is you could go into the spice aisle. Dill seed, cumin seed, mustard seed. I mean, when you start looking, whole seed that they sell in the spice aisle at the grocery store, you're going to get a whole jar for just a couple dollars. Think about how many dill seed you can get for that. Anyhow, my 2 cents on seed packet shortage. And anyone who knows me knows I'm a big proponent of saving seeds. Watch my other videos. I'm going to start talking more and more about seed saving because I think there's a need for it. And if we save seeds, we can easily share the seeds. We can easily give seeds to others. We can easily grow enough food that we need for everyone to prosper. And we need to get back to more of a giving culture instead of a consumerism culture. So that's my 2 cents. Brenda here from the Happy Shack. Hope you guys are having a great day. Super cold here in New York. And yeah, looking for stuff to do indoors that's warm. So hopefully spring will be here soon. Bye.